In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recipients in Brevo. Whether you're new to email marketing or looking to streamline your process, this guide will help you efficiently set up your next campaign. Let's dive right in and ensure you're ready to impress with your emails. First, begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Brevo's website. It's always a good idea to bookmark it for easy access in the future, especially if you plan to run numerous campaigns. Once you're at the Brevo homepage, go ahead and log into your account. If you're using Brevo for the first time, don't forget that you'll need your login credentials at the ready. After logging in, look for the Campaigns tab on the main dashboard. Clicking on this will lead you to everything you need for setting up your campaigns. Here, you'll click on Create a Campaign. This will initiate the process of crafting your email outreach. If you're someone who appreciates having options, Brevo accommodates that with various campaign types. You'll be prompted to choose between options like a regular campaign or an A/B test, depending on what suits your needs best. Don't forget to give your campaign a unique and memorable name. This helps in keeping things organized, especially when managing multiple projects. Next, you'll need to specify the sender information. That means inputting the name and email address you want the recipients to see. Now comes the vital step of adding recipients. Brevo's interface should guide you seamlessly to this part. If you're on the free plan, remember that you have the capacity to add up to 300 email addresses per campaign. This limitation is handy to keep in mind, especially if you're managing a larger audience and need to upgrade your plan eventually. Take your time here to ensure that your recipient list is updated and accurate. Once your recipients are in place, it's time to complete the rest of the campaign setup. You'll need to focus on several elements, such as the sender's details, subject line, and design of the email. This is where you can get creative and align your email with your brand's voice and visual standards. Additionally, Brevo offers settings that let you refine your email's intent. Make sure every section matches your campaign's goals. Finally, you'll come to the options for Preview and Test, or Schedule. Previewing is a valuable step to make sure everything appears as intended. Testing allows you to see how your email will look across different devices, ensuring nothing falls out of place. Once satisfied, you can schedule your email to go out at the perfect time for your audience. And there you have it. You've just learned how to add recipients and become well equipped to launch and manage impactful email campaigns using Brevo. Remember, practice makes perfect, and each campaign you send is a step toward mastering this powerful marketing tool. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.